Okay, now let's start. Ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. So before starting this topic, let me tell you about ethnic. Ethnic means relating to a group of people having common culture, religion, origin, and language. On the basis of ethnic, we are going to study Belgium and Sri Lanka. So see, let me give some example of ethnic. For example, a person A, he belongs from Hindu religion. Person B also belongs from Hindu religion. Both of them are very comfortable in their religion background. One more example, if person A speak Hindi language, if the person B speak same Hindi language, both of them are comfortable in their language background. That's not it. So on the basis of this ethnic composition, linguistic composition, we are going to study this Belgium and Sri Lanka. Let's start. Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller in area than the states of Haryana. This Belgium is a country. It's here bordered with Netherlands, France and Germany. Population over 1 crore only, about half of the population of Haryana. Now let's see about Belgium first on the basis of language. So try to understand, out of total population, I'm talking about in Belgium, out of out of total population, total population, 59% people living near Flemish region, they speak Dutch language. Out of total population, for example, 100%, out of 100%, 59% people living in Flemish region speak Dutch language. On the other side, 14% of the people living in Wallonia region speak French language. So 59 plus 40, we can say 99. So 1% of the people speak German language. Only 1% of the people speak German language. But if you see this map, for example, here I told you 59% of the people living in Flemish region speak Dutch language. On the other side, 40% people living in this Wallonia region speak French language. So only 1% people living 1% people speak German language. As you know, Belgium share it border with Germany also. It's not it. So among this is the country Belgium. So its capital is Brussels. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. But in a capital city, the things is very different. 80% of the people speak French language, and only 20% speak Dutch language. Here you can see in country Belgium. In country, if you take the example of a country Belgium, 15%, 59% people speaking Dutch language in country. But if we see in capital, 80% of the people speak French language. So here you can see Dutch speaking constitute majority in the country but minority in the capital city. So because of this linguistic problem, so there some problems were created in Belgium. So they come up with some innovative idea. So accommodation of power sharing. Now in accommodation of power sharing,